Do you want to know how to make money online in the USA for free? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I'm often asked about free methods to earn online for specific countries. And in this video here, I want to focus on the USA and show you 8 legit methods you can get started with completely for free and start right away. But if you do not live in the US, then do not worry. I have plenty of other videos with opportunities for all other countries. And I will leave a link in the top corner here to a playlist with options in other countries. So if you do not live in the US, then you can check that out instead. But if you do live in the US, then this video is for you. As mentioned, I will show you 8 different methods. So no matter your preferences, you will find interesting options for you here. So before I go over the 8 methods I want to show you, I just want to set the expectations so you know if this will be the right options for you. Because what I'm focusing on in this video here are methods you can get started with right away. You can start earning right away. And it is important to understand that when we talk about making money online, then with the methods where you can start earning right away, then it's not something that will make you rich and it will not make you a full-time income. If you want to make a full-time income online, then you need to put in the effort to build up an actual online business, and that could take months to do or maybe even longer, and it will require a lot of effort before you will start earning. If that is what you're interested in, I will also leave a link below here to an article where you can learn more about a method to do that. But what I will focus on in this video here is instead easy money method, as you can say, where you can get started right away and you can earn some nice extra cash on the side. And some of the options are actually also options where you can earn quite a bit of nice extra money. And I will show you 8 different methods. So no matter your preferences, you will find good options for you here. And it will not be a prioritized list because which options are the best for you does depend on your preferences. And you can combine all the different options. You can use just 3 of them, just 1 of them, or all of them if you want to. And that way put it together so you can earn the most interesting way for you. So with the expectations set, let's now then go over these 8 methods. So the first option I want to go over is to take paid surveys. And if you like sharing your opinion, then paid surveys is a really easy and fast way to start earning some extra cash online. And in the US, there are a lot of really great paid service sites. On my website, I have a list with more than 50 great legit paid service sites. And no matter your preferences, no matter your background, you will find great options here to earn by sharing your opinion. And many of them offer a very low payout threshold where you only need to earn maybe $5 or in some cases even less to be able to take your earnings out. And then you can get paid in cash via PayPal or gift cards. The different platforms offer different payout methods. But overall, paid service is one of the easiest and fastest way to start earning a little bit of extra cash online in the US. However, I'm also aware that it's not the right option for all. Not everyone like actually taking paid surveys. So I also have, of course, 7 other methods here that you can use. But if you want to get started with paid service, I will leave a link below here to this full list here so you can go there and check that out. And I also keep updating that as I test new platforms. So the next option I want to talk about is passive income apps. And one example of such an opportunity is Honeygain. And Honeygain is a platform where you can just download it on your phone or on your computer and let it run in the background and earn by sharing your unused internet. So you just install it and then you can earn. And once you've earned $20, you can take your earnings out as Bitcoin or via PayPal. And if you join through an invitation link, you will actually get a $5 joining bonus. And I will of course leave a link below here so you can get that joining bonus if you decide to use it. But this is just one example of a passive income app that is actually available in the US. There are more options, and I will also leave a link below to a full list of some great legit passive income apps so you can check that out if you think this is a great way to earn some extra money. The next option is user testing sites, because you can actually get paid to give feedback about websites or apps. And there are quite a lot of user testing platforms where you can sign up and then you will regularly get access to give feedback. Usually how it works is that you will record your screen while you speak out your thoughts. So you tell them what you're thinking when you're navigating on a website. Usually you ask some questions and you just answer that out loud. And it can actually be quite fun, and usually they pay really well. Sometimes you will earn maybe $10 for a 10-minute test. Sometimes you can actually earn $50 for a 20-minute test or something like that. It will vary from platform to platform and from test to test, but I have also on my website a full list of some great legit user testing platforms, and I'll leave a link below here so you can check that out. I personally find this a quite fun and interesting way to earn a bit of extra cash once in a while. You will of course not always find available tests here, but that's why it's a good idea to sign up for several of them, and then regularly you should be able to find some great projects here you can participate in. So the next option is to earn by playing games. And I want to show you two different options here that you have in the US. And one option is called AppKarma, which is the easiest of the two. And this is an app you can download, and then you can download other games or apps through it. And when you play them, you will actually earn here the more you use them. And it also sometimes pay you to download other types of apps and not only games. So it can be quite a fun way to earn a bit extra. It will not give you huge earnings, but it can give some nice extra cash on the side, and you can take your earnings out as cash via PayPal, or you can choose between a lot of different gift cards, and you can get paid already when you earn around $5 depending on the reward you choose. And if you join through an invitation link, usually you will get 300 points joining bonus, but I have a special VIP joining link. So if you join through that, you will actually get a 500 points bonus into your account right away, and I'll leave a link below here so you can go there and sign up if you want this bonus here. But this is just one way you can earn by playing games in the US. Another good option is called Play Test Cloud here, and it does not have as many options as AppKarma. AppKarma, you can always find a game there, you can always earn. This is where you get to test new unreleased games. So it is a little bit like a user test just for particular games. So you will not always find an option here, but when you do, you will get usually around $9 for playing a game for around 15 minutes. So it can give some quite nice extra earnings and can be a fun way to try games that have not necessarily been released yet. So there are some quite good options to earn a little bit extra if you like playing games online. So the next option is called Binance, and Binance is a crypto trading platform, but it actually also gives you earning opportunities. So especially if you're interested in cryptocurrencies, this can be interesting. It has a finance section where you can go to something called Binance Earn, and here they, for example, have savings and they have locked staking. And savings is where you can actually just put your savings in here. If you have cryptocurrencies, for example, you can get some real high interest, sometimes 10% or more. And also with these lock stakings, you can sometimes get 20 or 30% just for having your money standing here. Personally, what I do is some of these other platforms that I have shown here, they offer to pay in Bitcoin. So then I take them into Binance and then sometimes use the savings here, sometimes lock staking here, and then grow my earnings passively there just by having them standing. So that's one way to use it. And I'll leave a link in the top corner here to a video I have about Binance Savings and how I use it like that. So you can check that out if you want to know more about this option. But this is mainly interesting if you're interested in cryptocurrencies. You can just fund your account here with your own money, or you can earn on some of these other free methods here and take your earnings out as Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies and then use that money in here to grow it further. That's entirely up to you. So we have 3 more options to go over, but before going over them, I would appreciate if you could just take 1 second to like this video here, because it can help it to be seen by more people. So the next option I want to go over is to do different small freelance tasks, and there are many platforms for that. But one of the platforms where I have found it to be the easiest to get started if you are new to freelancing jobs is called Laytiem. And here you can go and browse projects here and find different types of projects. So different skills here offers different tasks here. If you're into graphics design or good at social and digital marketing, building websites, you can also do small registrations like register for different websites or download apps, or video animation, audio, music, writing, data entry. It has a lot of different tasks here. And you can see they usually pay in different cryptocurrencies, but they also sometimes pay in US dollars here. Also, if you do a project where you get paid in a currency you do not really want, they do have an exchange platform inbuilt here where you can exchange it, and you can then take your earnings out in cash via PayPal, or you can transfer them in cryptocurrencies if you prefer that. Some of the projects here gives potentially really good earnings, as you can see, but of course they will also require more skills. So if this is a good platform for you or not really depends on your preferences and on your skills. It is mostly interesting if you have the skills to do some of these higher paying tasks. If you do not have that, then some of the other options on this list here are probably a better option. So the next option is a way where you can potentially earn a little bit extra passively. This is called CryptoTab Browser, and it is actually a browser you can install on your computer or on your phone or on many different devices to earn more. And then you will earn by mining cryptocurrencies or specifically Bitcoin. So you just need to install it and then have it running in the background, and then you can earn a bit extra. It will not give you huge earnings. Mining in general will not, but CryptoTab does give decent earnings for a mining option where you do not have to invest anything in special mining equipment. Usually if you want to earn by mining, you need to invest in all kind of equipment. You can use this one here just with the devices you have. It is not a good option for all, and it will take a little bit of patience to actually earn here, but you do not have to actually do anything to earn, and that is why I included it here, because it can be an interesting way to earn a little bit without doing anything. And as I said, you will earn Bitcoin, so you can then take your earnings out to a Bitcoin wallet. So it's also only interesting if you actually are interested in cryptocurrencies. So the last option I want to go over is what's called get paid to sites. And these are sites where you can usually earn in different ways. And one method that I have found is often overlooked is these paid offers, because often you can find not only games you can download, but there are all kind of different apps you can download, sometimes platforms you can sign up for and earn some quite nice prizes like that. You just always need to make sure to read the conditions when you use paid offers like this. Right now I am on one of my favorite get paid to sites called Price Rebel, because it has a lot of good offer walls. You can see all the different offer walls here, and all of them offer different paid offers. So using offer walls, if you just choose the offers wisely, can definitely be a great way to earn some extra money easily. And Price Rebel has a very low payout threshold. You only need to earn $5 to actually take your earnings out, and you can then take them out as cash via PayPal or choose between a lot of different gift cards. But overall, paid offers is just often an overlooked earning opportunity that I definitely find to be quite lucrative if you just take the time to find the good offers. So as you can see, if you live in the US and are looking for free ways to earn some extra money online, then you have really good opportunities. And I have tried to show some quite different options here. So no matter your preferences and your skills, you can find options here. Some of them are super fast. You can get paid really fast. Others requires a little bit more skill, and then you will be able to earn quite nicely. And then there are some where you do not have to do anything. You can just earn a little bit passively once in a while. So I hope this video gave you some good ideas about free earning methods in the US and what you can realistically expect to earn from these methods here. And if you want to get started with any of these methods here, I will leave links below here to more information about each of the options and about how to get started. And finally, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.